Welcome to part 70 of Learn Languages. Today we're learning how to ask for and give permission. This is essential for polite English conversation. Let's start with the most common ways to ask permission. The simplest, can I? Can I borrow your pen? Casual, informal. Can I take a seat? Friendly and direct. More polite, could I? Could I ask you a question? Could I use your bathroom, please? Could is more tentative and polite than can. The most formal option, may I? May I speak with the manager? May I come in? Use may in professional or formal settings. Now, how do you give permission? Of course, friendly and warm. Sure, go ahead. Casual and encouraging. Certainly formal and professional. Feel free to. Welcoming and relaxed. You're welcome to. Polite and generous. Now, how do you refuse permission politely? I'm sorry, but that's not allowed. I'm afraid you can't do that here. Unfortunately, that's not possible. Always soften a refusal with I'm sorry or I'm afraid. We also use be allowed to for rules and regulations. You're allowed to bring one bag. You're not allowed to park here. Is photography allowed in here? Be polite and be clear. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.